everyone. Thank you for joining me. So today I'll be talking about 4 important things to do to prepare for your interview at a law firm. Number 1 is carry out prior research on that law firm. Get to know what the firm engages in, what their main business is. For example, does it mainly deal with criminal litigation? Is it more of a civil firm? Is it a commercial law firm? Get to know who the partners of this firm are. That's going to be very important because most likely they will want to know if you even have an idea of the place that could be your potential employer. So carry out prior research on the firm and get to know even maybe some cases they've handled and just the main business that the firm is into, the main kind of cases that they have. Number 2 is show up on time for your appointment. So if, for instance, you've been told that your interview will be at 10 hours, try as much as possible to be there even by 9:30 or 9:45 at the firm. That's going to be a good tone that you begin with and set for them, at least on the aspect of punctuality. You will impress them. And also that will also give you a gauge for yourself. If you aim to be there much earlier, you also account for maybe some unforeseen delays in terms of you going there. So if you set it at 10 to be there and then something happens, you may likely be there after 10, which is not a good sign. So endeavor by all means to be at the place of the interview at that law firm before your appointment, and show up neatly dressed, calm and collected and cool. This will also help you not panic in the interview. This will also help you, recite some things, for example, that you've planned to say way before, rather than you reaching late and being so rushed and not even having a moment to breathe or remember some of the things you said you were going to say. So be on time for your appointment. Another thing, this is number 3, is you want to make sure that you are up to date with any changes in the law that have taken place. So let's say the way this is 2023, for example, there have been some acts of parliament, statutes that have been enacted this same year. So you want to make sure that you are aware and up to date and abreast with the legal changes that have taken place, and even have an understanding, whichever sector of the law that may be. And then number 4 is make sure you speak confidently and look into the eyes of the interviewer. That will show them that you know what you're talking about, and that you're not, even if you don't know what to say, at least you looking into their eyes, that confidence will sort of give you a plus on their part as well. And then also make sure if they ask you questions, you have clearly understood what they've asked you. Ask them to repeat if you haven't clearly gotten what they've asked, and then just go straight to the point and address the question that they are asking you. And the last thing is hold your head up high even when you're there, and show that you deserve to work there. For instance, when you're explaining maybe legal principles that they've asked you, explain very well and just do your best. And of course, pray before you go for the interview, and everything put in God's hands, everything will go well for you. I hope this video is helpful. Let me know if you'd like some more tips on how to prepare for a legal interview, and all the best to those who are applying to work. Bye.